What materials do you work with for gear production? We use steel alloys, stainless steel, aluminum, brass, bronze, and composites, selected based on your application needs. Can you produce gears according to my drawings? Yes, we provide fully custom solutions, supply drawings, CAD files, or requirements, and we manage design to production. What types of custom gears and shafts do you manufacture? We produce all types of custom gears and shafts, spur, helical, bevel, worm, planetary, from prototype to large-scale production. What tolerances can you achieve? We follow AGMA, ISO, GB, and DIN standards, delivering tight tolerances tailored to your project. Do you offer design and engineering support? Yes, our engineering team provides full support including design, stress analysis, material selection, and performance optimization.